Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Watch GS Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First, we need to open the Mibro Fit application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. In the app, tap on the devices icon, then scroll down through this page and find the option called delete device. Once you find it, tap on it and tap on confirm. Your watch will disappear from the device page. Now you can close the app, open the settings on your iPhone. In settings, tap on Bluetooth, and here you will see, or you should see, the device called something like XPA W013A6D4. Once you see this device, tap on the info icon next to it, tap on forget this device, and then tap on forget device to disconnect it. And at this point, the watch is unpaired from your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.